In this tutorial, I'm going to solve a question from your test saying a gas expand against a constant external pressure of 1.5 atmosphere from 2.0 liters to 5.0 liters. Calculate the work done in joules. Okay, so here we'll be given the pressure of the gas that expand the external pressure there. So let's correct our data. So we are saying, being given the external pressure P to be equal to 1.5 atmosphere. Okay, so that's the external pressure. We've also been given the first volume there, V1 to be equal to 2.0 liters. Okay, we've also been given the final volume there, which is V2 to be equal to 5.0 liters. Okay, so the question is asking us to calculate work. Okay, so work will be equal to we don't know. That's what we are looking for, isn't it? So here we've been given the first volume and the second volume. That can help us to calculate the change in volume, isn't it? And we know for change in volume, okay, so change in volume, V will be equal to, so we get our V2 or the final volume minus the V1 or the initial volume, isn't it? So this will be equal to the final volume being 5.0 liters minus the initial volume being 2.0 liters. Okay, so there the answer is going to be 3.0 liters. Okay, so now we are looking for work, right? Okay, so we know that work is going to be given by the negative of P times the change in volume. Okay, so the P here is the external pressure that we've been given. Then the change in volume is the one that we've calculated. So we can calculate our work there, isn't it? So work will be equal to negative of the P, which is 1.5 atmospheres there. Okay. Then multiplied by the change in volume, which is 3.0 liters. Okay. So there we are getting our answer. When we multiply 1.5 times 3, we're going to get our answer to be negative 4.5 liters atmospheres. Okay, so now remember the question is asking us to find this work in joules. So we need to convert the liters atmospheres to joules. Okay, so we multiply that with the conversion factor. Okay, so therefore our work will be equal to, so we get our negative 4.5 liters atmosphere, okay, multiplied by, now we're going to multiply by the conversion factor, which is, we know that 1 atmosphere, 1 liters atmosphere, so I'm going to bring 1 liters atmosphere down, so that the liters atmosphere and the liters atmosphere will cancel there, isn't it? So I know that how many liters atmosphere are giving me joules. So 1 liters atmosphere is giving me 101.3 325 joules. Okay, so that's the unit conversion factor. So 1 liter atmosphere is giving me 101.325 joules. So I've brought the 1 liter atmosphere down so that it's able to cancel with the liters atmosphere here. Okay, so it means that I'm going to remain with my own units to be in joules. Okay, so I can multiply there. I have negative 4.5 times 101.325. Okay, so I'm going to get my answer to be negative 455.9. Okay, so I can end on 6 joules. That's what I'm having. That's my final work there. Okay, so now for the other questions on the test, the video solutions were made. So let me just show you how you can access all the full video solution. So this is the paper that you guys wrote, the test one that you wrote. So the full video solutions are available on the website and other things. Okay, so let me just show you how you can access. Let me just open the browser. Okay, so if you are using an iPhone phone, you can access our website through the browser. But if you have an Android phone, you can download it on your Play Store. So just say just Discrete Learning Institute. Then you download the app. Once you download the app, you can do the same procedure that we are going to do via the website. Okay, so you can open your browser there. So you search Discrete Learning Institute. Okay, so once you search for Discrete Learning Institute, you open there. Okay, so it's going to take you to folders that are going to show the courses that are available at our institute. Okay, so you subscribe to the course of your choice. Okay, so there are guidelines how you are going to subscribe there. So you just follow those guidelines, you subscribe to the course of your choice. Now, when you subscribe, for example, you go for pharmaceutical chemistry there, you subscribe for pharmaceutical chemistry. You can open the course, pharmaceutical chemistry, like that. Okay, so you'll find two folders, this first semester and second semester. So you go in the folder written first semester, you open it. Okay, so you notice that you're going to have these folders. We have the recorded lessons. For the recorded lessons that we've been having, we've been putting that folder. Written materials, notes, written assessment labs are going to be in the second folder. Now for past papers, tutorial sheets, the past papers like the one you're from doing, you can access them in that folder. So you simply open it. Okay. So once you open, you notice that you find the recorded video solutions for the tutorial sheets that we've been having. So you can see, including the assessment that you had. So just make sure you go through that assessment for atomic structure. You may also find questions in the exam, and also the tutorial sheets that you've been have on thermochemistry and thermodynamics, right? So all the video solutions for all the tutorial sheets that you've been having. They are there on the website, so you can do well to go through those tutorial sheets. And for the test, remember the question you have from solving is the last question. So for question 1 to 5, you can find it there. The full video solutions are there. Okay, so thank you so much. Hoping that you're going to subscribe with us.